That nigga say on Black Panther, is this your king? Is this the one that was supposed to protect you?
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all, we back for another one. So I think I'm finna see if I can find a transmission laying on the ground. Last time I wasn't prepared. Today, I'm ready. Let's get into it. I know the west side is the best side. It's a premium yard gang. 862 head. Looks like the other one is right there. Pretty beat up. No transmission behind it. It's already gone. Looks like they left the torque converter though. I ain't come out here to pull no fucking transmission. I came out here to try to get lucky and find one to lay it on the ground. Saying, take me, please. See, this is the shit I be talking about. Like, bro, really? Y'all propped up the hood with the fucking fuel rails, my nigga? How disrespectful is that? Especially when I'm the nigga looking for a fuel rail. I don't even want that one. I wanted it laying around, but that is not what the fuck I meant. Let's see what we got. You may be asking, like, why is LS looking for a transmission? You got not one, but two 4L80s at the crib, plus a 4L60. All which need to be touched. But you know, the reason that I am looking, and this would be a good point of dialogue where to drum up a conversation. The 4L60 transmission that I have, I plan to get going through by my boy Cortez's boy Jack. He done rebuilt the transmission for him. A couple other people I know done vouched for him. So for this one, I might just, pony up the bread. Pony up the bread. Somebody else got grab the motor right now. Look at him. Somebody over there, I bet that bitch is 6'0". I bet that bitch is 6'0". Some beach. Got some flex fuel injectors, truck intake. I got some shit. I got some truck intakes. I'm gonna try to save. That's the thing though. You damn near can't get them bitches away. Yeah, perfect example. So basically what I want to do, the transmission I have at the house, the output shaft is not like this, or the input shaft is not like this. It's a 298 millimeter, which the 300 was the upgrade. So now, can you run the 298 millimeter? Yes, of course you can. However, you just have to have the 298 torque converter. So I figured since shit be out here laying around and I'm out here all the time anyway, why not just walk around and see if I can find one. Core packs, intake. See, there goes some more fuel rails. They just took the crossover for shit, which kind of ain't a problem. I would grab it, but I don't come out here prepared unless I'm on a mission. Today is just recon day. like stumble across some shit there. So we ain't come to. I gotta go to work later. I ain't come out here to get fucking sweaty and stinky and tired. See what we got here. That looks like a Trailblazer SS intake. But it don't look like a Trailblazer SS intake at the same time. I don't know, man. Y'all tell me. Another question y'all might be asking. LS, why are you even looking for a motor or a transmission in the first place? We ain't even got no more cars. Well, the thing is, if you believe it, we'll achieve it. And I know that one day that we're gonna find our next project. Whether it's the LS Trifecta or it's the fucking, I don't know, LS remix or, I don't know. Ain't no telling what we're gonna find when we find it, but when we do, it's game on. So, I'm just preparing. That's all. I'm just preparing. Let's see. I wanted to get a transmission too. Probably so. I just don't even want to come out here and pull no fucking transmission, man. But yeah, like I said, this was going to be the topic of discussion or whatever the title. Is the 298 millimeter input shaft weaker than 300? I mean, it's only 2 millimeter difference. Like, is it really that big of a deal? Yeah, I mean, that is a question that I have for the people. Damn, son, where'd you find that one? Then I got the little square point joints on there. Let's see. Fuel rails. It ain't never shit to find fucking truck accessories, bro. Like, that ass. How's it going, fellas? What y'all finna put it in?
08.
Oh, 08.
08. Yep. 08. 2012.
Yeah.
Sell it. I already want to get a 10 for me.
Oh, really?
Yep. Get it up and running.
Hey, that's that motivation to go on and get out here and get it then. I shouldn't have allocated. Let's see. Yeah, so y'all let me know, man. I don't see nothing readily accessible today. However, if you know the biggest difference between the 298, I know it was a couple years difference. I think it's like 96. Some people say you shouldn't put them for L60s behind the fucking, what's the name joint, but I don't know, bruh. I believe, because I'm not 100% sure, I believe that I got a 2000, I got a V6 Trailblazer transmission behind my shit. I had to change the belt housing. I don't know if I recorded all that shit when I was doing it, but yeah. I had the fucking V6 transmission from behind a fucking 6-cylinder ass, what do you call it? The 6-cylinder, what's it? The 6-cylinder Trailblazer. But now it's sitting behind a 5.3. And I mean, I ain't had no issues out of it. I ain't really played with a tune. I'll say it, I just cruise, you know, around the city in it. I mean, that's what it made for me. That ain't the badass yellow boy. That's just a cruise. Cause I like to cruise. I was saying, badass yellow boy came a badass yellow boy's born out of fucking smoke, literally. I had no plans of even going that far with that bill. So now that they got me going that far with that bill, like, yeah, y'all get the picture. So yeah, down in the comments, let me know 298 millimeter 4L60E in push shaft versus the what's it called? Versus the 298 millimeter versus the 300, man. Biggest advantages or drawbacks or whatever like that. We'll go from there, man. I don't think it's gonna be that big of a deal. The LS trifecta, once we find it, ain't gonna be no high horsepower build. You'll see it creeping on the swings. So I doubt that it's gonna be any burning out or nothing out like that. Like I want the box shit, the LS trifecta to be the ultimate fucking cruiser. However, the Tudo is a cruiser with a little bit of street. You know what I'm saying? And then you got the fucking what's the name? Then you got badass yellow boy. Straight out the motherfucking mud, born to be a savage. So, just gonna wrap this video up, man. Like I said, let me know down in the comments below. 298 versus 300, biggest advantages, disadvantages. Too far. Bitch, stop playing. I mean, it ain't a bad price, but Bitch, stop playing. I don't need no wheel for nothing else anyway. I got those Yokohamas 5x4. That's some Mustang shit. Yeah, leave it down off in the comment, man. Let me know. I'm so ugly. Ugly.